Hello, this is our seventh week is finished. We're going to eighth week number 8. Okay, I have very good things for this week, like for previous week. Today is Sunday, 19th, I guess. Yes, 19th of April. So it's midnight, already Monday, I can say. For today's video, I have some good news about my progress, and I'm gonna share with my ideas for my upcoming projects. So the first thing I need to share with you is I passed the second challenge in FTMO trial account. That was trial. That is not paid the real challenge, of course. But I passed the second trial challenge, and I'm kind of very I want to show you right now. As you can see here, see trading days, 3 days. Okay, max daily loss, max loss, and profit target all done. Okay, so I'll show you. This is I lost the trade, and here, and then I made 2 trades. So balance 10,000 from 10,000. Now it's 10,500. So this is the main achievement for this week. So I passed first one, which was also 10,000, I guess, and this account, second one, I passed it already. Now my goal with these prop firms, especially with FTMO, and after FTMO I'll try other prop firms like Alpha Capital. I guess that will be good, and like most famous ones, Funded Next, and some other ones. So I'll just keep building, keep doing the free challenges first. Okay, I'm going to make special strategy for prop firms, because the strategy I use for prop firms is totally different than the strategy I'm using for my trading view account. That's also paper trading, but the results are very nice. I'm gonna show you my trading view account, paper trading, and yes, I'm gonna show you. Here is the name. Let's make it dark. Okay, so here is the name. Scalping test. That's not like scalping, that's more like intraday trading. So account balance 153,000, almost 54, let's say, and this realized plus 54,000, 53,000. This is, I made it in 3 weeks. In 3 weeks I made a profit with 0.8, sometimes 1%, risk, I made 53, almost 54% profit in 3 weeks. I'm very curious about the next week. Of course, I'm gonna be very aware of my risk, aware of my in entries, because the news and these events are happening so quickly, and market is changing very quickly, like doing the trend is changing too fast. The big trend, let's say, the big trend is happening for 1-2 days, and it's changing. So, but I'm very I'm very aware of my actions, my entries. First, I want to show you. Let's hide this ones. Okay. I want to show you how I analyze my entries, how I analyze when I need to put a trade. I'm going to show you. So, this is not a strategy, but how I analyze my entries, right? My bias. So I use only 2 indicators, which is more than enough. I don't even need this volume sometimes, but it gives me more clear picture about the buyers and sellers. So I use VWAP. This is my main thing, very main indicator that I use, and I have my bias from. So VWAP, this is the middle. So these lines, right? VWAP will show me the trend and the position. I do my bias from this middle one, and mostly I put short position. Let's say I catch mostly here. Here I catch here, enter the short position, and it goes down, and I take my profit. Usually I enter on this line, on this position. Kind of dark green position, and until the light green to this one. So from here I do short, I put short until here. So I use just 2 things, this VWAP and volume profile, and of course candlesticks. I need confirmation. I don't use this any other strategies or concepts like fair value gap or some other stuff, because they work for scalping very short time period. Also, that's not for all the markets, okay? Not all the assets, I can say. So that's it. So I passed 2 prop firm challenges, free ones, okay? And then in 3 weeks I made in my main account, day trading account, I made 53% profit. That's very nice, because my strategy, I want to explain how I could keep that without losing, without drawdown. And I tried on other brokerage firms also, like demo accounts. I opened capital.com account in their website, and using demo to test my strategy, and it's working right away. So the thing is, I just stuck with one strategy. I'm using only one strategy, only the same strategy, the same indicators, the same bias, collecting the biases, news, this all the stuff, the same bias, the same position, short, only short, and one session only, New York session. Mostly I trade on New York session, because I I noticed for Bitcoin, it's traded and most volume and most volatility comes during New York session. So I need that. I need fast, quick, this volume, and I need this strong trend move. So I'm using these ones only. So one session, one strategy, one same indicators. That's it. I'm sticking to only one strategy, one concept. I think that is one of the things that keeping me to give these profits in demo accounts, paper trading. Okay, it's not real. It's not real because first I want to start with this demo accounts, be confident about my strategy, about my skill, and then in future, in very close future, I'll start with real money. First of all, I wanna trade in prop firms, pass the challenges, get the payouts, and make one very good strategy for the prop firms. Okay, now that is my results for this week. Now I want to show you, I'm gonna share with you about my plans. I want to share with you my plans for next week. Next week I will open probably I'll open another trial account, prop firm account, and try to pass using the same strategy I'm using with FTMO. The next plan is to create a channel, private Telegram channel, and start posting kind of my biases, everyday biases, and share my entries where I'm entering kind of signal, but not much signal. I'll just share my thoughts about exact day's structure, market movement, and give some very valuable entry points. That's my plan. I'm gonna create a Telegram channel, private Telegram channel. I just post every day where to enter, when to exit, like stop loss, take profit positions, all of this. I'm gonna post that. I'll start post that from next week. And in future, in maybe 1 month or 2 months max, I'm gonna make it like publicly. That will be also private, but that's like for other people. Now I'm starting only for myself, just to track my entries and get my track record and my win rate for each day. Okay, and then I'll obviously make it publicly, but entry will be like private through bot, and it will be like a subscription, like community stuff, and kind of subscription, yes, monthly subscription. So it will include info about Bitcoin only. I trade only Bitcoin. I don't want to trade in any other stuff. I don't want to be distracted with other stuff. I'll give some insights about Bitcoin every day. I'll give very good entry points. So let's say maybe I can give 2-3 entry points, positions, and say to have the confirmation. And also I'll do the same trade, entering point, all of this stuff with my prop firm accounts. I'll use the same strategy, same entry, same trades. And I want to see, I want to test my strategy. If it works in a long run, like 1 month, 2 months at least, that means I can do it publicly and start giving like a subscription plan for other people to use, to help to other people. So yeah, that will be like credible, you know. That's why I don't want to make it I don't want to make it public, or I don't want to add other people even for money right now. I want to test it first. If it's working, if PNL will be profitable in the end of week, in the end of months, then I'll be sure to uh, to promote that channel and get the clients from my subscriptions, and this subscribers, paid subscription, like members, paid members, membership. These members will become my community in the future, like creating like good community and share my thoughts, my information, and entry points to help to other people. Yeah, that's my plan. That's a good idea for me. I think that way I can make more progress in this trading space. First of all, I don't want to be famous at all. I don't have a plan to be famous. But when I have very verified certificates from prop firms, verified P&L statement, this from brokerage firms, I'll show them, and in future I'm gonna help to other people with my Telegram channel, private Telegram channel, and maybe it becomes popular as it is, but I'm not gonna try to make it popular. I'll be working I'll be very open with everyone. I'll show everything. I'll be very clear, crystal clear, with in front of my subscribers and my paid members for my Telegram channel, and give really valuable info. Okay, that's it. Let's make some community stuff, but for my own project. Okay, for my own concept, I can say, because I have very verified. I showed you, right? This 53% profit. I didn't make it in 2-3 days with big risk. I didn't make that. I'm showing everything, right? I'm gonna show you again my trades. Look, balance history. You see that? One by one. I have some losses, but are very small. 2000. Okay, this is like 2%, all green. The last week, as you can see, I mean this week was all green. Why all green? Because I keep my profits to go longer and cut my losses short. Mostly it's 4-1. Yeah, 4-1, sometimes 3-1. Risk reward. So yeah, that's why you see my losses, my losing trades will maximum 2% drawdown, like you lost. It's okay, it happens. It's not the end of the world. And most of my losing trades are 0.2, 0.4%, this kind of. But I make it back because my risk reward ratio is huge. Sometimes I even make like risk reward. I just kept the trade open for 2 days, maybe 2-3 days. And risk reward ratio was, I think, so it was 10-1 sometimes. Yeah, that wasn't luck. That wasn't. But I entered very edge of the next trend, the new trend. Okay, the starting point. And then because of the news, came back, and I just kept the trade open, took my profit. I wait for 2 days. It hit the good position, good profit, and I closed the trade. So that's it. This is my plans for next week. I'm myself very interested to see how it goes in close future and how it works with prop firms, my strategy, also my Telegram channel, private Telegram channel, paid membership channel, and I want to see how it works, and I want to check if the strategy that I'm using for prop firms is profitable. Okay, that's not my main strategy for my own main account, but for prop firms, when you have fixed position entry point, when you have stop loss, and when you have take profit. I trade mostly short position only. I wait for the price to go up, and I wait for the confirmation with candlesticks, and I enter the trade and wait for the profit to reach and close the trade. Yeah, that's pretty much everything I need to share with you for this video. I'll keep making progress. This is 8th week. This will be like 2 months, almost 2 months will be how I started, when I started this trading stuff. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna update you with my progress, with my news, with my achievements, my profits, and keep updating you. Yeah, you will see in real time my progress. In real time, you will see how me, as a beginner trader who is trading in demo accounts right now, okay, demo accounts, and who's who wants to start with prop firms, from this position, so this situation, from this environment, work environment, to go up and have different, to be in different level, I can say. I know I will reach very big numbers, big profits, big money. I know that. I'm confident. Not only confident, I believe it's gonna happen. I believe I'm ready for that. I'm ready for big money. I'm ready to change the world, even with small people, with my small community, my members from my Telegram channel. I believe that I'm gonna be big in this space. Okay? And I believe I'm gonna be very profitable on this stuff. Because all my life is happening because of this thing, because of this moment, for this moment. There's all wars, all of my experience, my life experience was happening to make me ready for this stuff, for this journey, what this one. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you for this week. And I'm gonna make progress. I'm gonna keep updating you, keep posting, even though no one is watching me right now. I have 0 subscribers on YouTube. I have like 0 views, nothing. But one day will come. One day, maybe I'll be famous. Maybe I'll have what, like 1,000 subscribers. Maybe at least at 1,000 subscribers. We'll see, and get some proof, get some real situation, real story, real success story. Maybe like small success. This success story from these videos. You are the one who is watching me right now. Maybe it's 2027, 2028, I don't know which year it will be, but you're gonna watch it and see how this person, me right now, from this level, this room, from this room, this office, to grow to a different level. Yeah, that's very interesting. That's all my life. That's very valuable for me. These videos that I'm making now are very most valuable videos for me at the beginning, because this is the real story. So see you on the next week.